लोकतंत्रात सगळ्यांक मोकळीक आसा म्हणटकर कोणी वेंचणूक लडोवपाक शकता. ऑलेन्सियो सिमोयस हो आजून भुरगो आसा. ताका राजकारणाचो आनीक अभ्यास जाय. तो राजकारणात देवलो म्हूण कुठ्ठाळी मतदारसंघात भाजपा मंडळाक फरक पडचो ना अशें मत कुठ्ठाळची आमदार एलिना सल्डाना हिणें उक्तायलां. RDX खातीर कासावलेच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
I'm not at all disturbed, and I would like to say this very clearly. Olencio is young. Olencio needs to learn about politics. But, like I said before, anyone and everyone in a democracy has the right to contest. Let him contest. He will learn from the process. But as far as being disturbed, I am not. The BJP is not.
मंडळ लोकांचो गोरी तसोच ग्रेस लोकांचो आनी कुट्टाच्या मतदारसंघाचो सगळ्यांचो बाय आलिनाक खुशी भाशेन ते परत भोवमतांनी निवडून हाडूंक सोदतात. आनी एक म्हत्वाचें सांगपाचें म्हणल्यार भयणी भावनो आनी एकट्याक काम दिल्लें आसा. बाब ओलेन्सियो सिमोयस म्हूण हाकाय कामाची गरज म्हूण बाय आलिना लागीं आयलो आनी तेन्ना बाय आलिना सदांच व्हडल्या काळजाचें आनी जेन्ना कोणाकूय फावो जाल्यार ताका काम दिवपाचें अशें म्हणून हें मन धरून तिणें ओलेन्सियो सिमोयसाकूय आयज जो आपाचो कॅन्डिडेट आसा ताकाय कामाक लायलो.
Will see the light of the day, maybe in a year's time. And I have spoken to the public many a times. I have requested them for their patience because the project is being done for the good of the people of Kortaling constituency and 7 other adjoining villages to which the BHC caters. I'm very happy to say that there will be 7 OPDs included in this enlarged, expanded and upgraded PHC. There will be an ICU unit. There will be the facilities for CT scan, X-rays, laboratories for all kinds of testing, and accordingly the medical experts will be available. And I think in most cases, unless there are certain very urgent and severe, should I say, complicated reasons to shift the patient either to the south or to the north, I think most of our patients will get their necessary medical treatment at the PHC.